Want to build a custom power bank with rechargeable 18650 batteries? Check out this DIY 3x18650 battery charger case, a simple, versatile kit for your projects. Just add 3 18650 batteries, and you've got a portable power bank with dual USB outputs delivering 5 volts to a fast charging for phones, tablets, or gadgets. The case includes a built-in LED night light, making it handy for camping, emergencies, or bedside use. It's a great way to repurpose old laptop batteries or build a budget-friendly charger. Compact, easy to assemble, and perfect for DIY enthusiasts, preppers, or anyone who loves custom tech solutions. Ready to build your own power bank? Check the link in the description below to buy this 18650 charger case now. Thanks for watching, and power up your way.